I was always a kid who was playing with machinery, making stuff. And that just evolved into it was my real passion, and that's why I went into actually manufacturing machinery. I come from a farming background, used a lot of this equipment myself. So I could see that some of the machinery that was there, the quality perhaps wasn't as good as it should be, the backup perhaps wasn't as good. You could see there was a need for just the quality, British manufactured machinery. If you want control of the quality, you've got to do it yourselves, you've got to do it in-house, you've got to do it on site. That's the only way you're actually going to be able to guarantee the quality. When that product goes out the door, you know it's right because you've made it yourself. Get components, engines, for example, come in from all over the world. If you took one of our machines, 75% of it will be manufactured here on site. Everything's designed in-house in 3D. We do some modelling, some testing, and then we start this sort of iterative manufacturing and design process. So we make a prototype, we test it, we break it, we see what works, we see what doesn't work, we improve upon it, and then you get 12 months, 18 months, however far down the line, then you start getting a finished product. And it's that process that you perhaps don't see from the outset, but that's what makes the difference. Sustainability is one of the things that is at the forefront of our mind. On site here, as an example, we produce nearly 50% of our electricity on site with the solar panels we've got. One of the key things that sets us apart in the marketplace is that we look at how people use machinery, your HMI, your human machine interface, what people touch, what they're using, and we try to make that experience easy. The technology is a huge driver for the future innovation, and product lines that we're bringing out. We're looking at integrating Bluetooth across the range. A lot of new innovations coming through in terms of the product and the user experience. And we've also got some new equipment coming on site here, so we'll be able to manufacture more. So our core market at the moment is on your sort of ATV attachments, as I call them. It goes behind quads, your side-by-sides, 4x4s. The one thing that gets me up in the day and actually makes me really proud of the business here is the team we've built and the guys and girls that I'm working with. The colleagues I've got here are absolutely fantastic, and they make it a real pleasure to work here and work together. So looking forward 5 or 10 years, I'd like to think we're going to have an additional manufacturing facility located in the US, I would expect, looking at our growth potential there. So we're still going to be doing the manufacturing here in the UK, the bulk of the manufacturing here, but there will be some sub-assembly and manufacturing over in the US just to localise for that specific and large marketplace. At the end of the day, it's my name going on each and every product we produce. We're all about the quality, and we have been the whole way through. And you can see that in the finished product quality as well, and the user experience that you're going to get from buying one of our machines.